Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Mercedes-Benz S600L W221 from MotorHelix. This model is licensed by Mercedes-Benz. There is this small card here which is in the shape of the MotorHelix logo, and it's actually the certificate of conformity. Most of the information here is printed in Chinese. There's this card here which acts as the background for the car. There's this metal plate on the base which has the name of the car printed on it, and there is a limited edition model, and there is car number 106 out of 999. So moving on to the car now, the headlights are really well detailed, but there is no black paint between the slats of the grille which makes it look a bit weird. But the radar for the cruise control is really well detailed. The hood ornament is a photo etched part. The wheels are also really well detailed, and there is the Mercedes logo at the center which is a metal sticker. The V12 bi-turbo badge on the front fender is again a metal sticker. Now moving on to the back, I really like the look of the tail lamps, but it does not have the detailing for the indicators and the reverse lights. All the logos here are also metal stickers. The chrome elements around the car also adds a really nice touch to it. Now moving on to the interior, the steering wheel looks really nice, and there's also the Mercedes logo at the center, which I believe is a decal. The dashboard is really well detailed, and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster from here. The wooden trim on the dashboard, the center console and the door cards are also beautifully recreated. The stitching on the seats are also really well detailed. The rear headrest and the third brake light look really nice. And this is how the passenger side of the car looks like. The sensors on top of the front windshield are also really well detailed, and the wipers are not separate but are molded in with the windshield but still look good. And this is how the interior looks like through the sunroof. There are chrome inserts in the rearview mirror which look really nice, and they reflect really well. But it's not present on the IRVM. So here's the car out of its base, and it looks really nice. The undercarriage of the car is really well detailed, and you can see most of the components from here. And the exhaust mufflers also have silver paint on them. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you later.